The go-to websites when people search for properties in Germany are usually Immonet, Immowelt or Immoscout. Each website is showing thousands of properties basically at all times, but people tell us it's very difficult, especially for expats with a language barrier, to actually buy properties from these websites. You have been working in real estate for many years now. What do you think? How real are these offers that we see on Immoscout and the other websites?
So I think they're difficult to estimate, right? So it's also an individual examination necessary on these properties. I mean, everyone can put an offer or a real estate property or advertise it on the Immoscout, right? This is your right.
You don't even have to own it, actually.
Exactly.
You can put up whatever property you want.
Exactly. I mean, meanwhile, they charge for that, right? So back then they didn't charge anything. But I think the prices are reasonable, right? It's just that you really need an expert. You really need someone who goes there with you, who really digs into all this examination. For example, is there enough reserves on this property, right? Is there enough savings on this property? And one has to be cautious to invest into real estate, right? And my advice is really to get someone, an expert with you, who reviews all the papers, the protocols, the documents, and even to go there with you to appraise the property. Also, an important factor is that when you're checking that, or the expert with you is to check what was done in the past on this property or in this building, what is continuing to be done, and what has to be done in the future. So these three factors are very, very important: past, present, and future.
Otherwise, you might end up buying a property and in the next couple of years you have to pay tens of thousands of euros additionally, right?
Exactly. I mean, imagine if you're, I don't know, like if you have to renovate or get the new heating system or renovate the roof, right? It can cost you up to 200,000 euros, which is a lot of money. So it's better to prepare before, right? To check everything before, and if everything is fine, go ahead with that, for sure.